Hello everybody, today we're on 3-5 one-step multiplication and division equations on page 72. The objective is to solve one-step equations by using either the multiplication or the division properties of equality. Just a reminder, just as addition and subtraction are inverse operations, multiplication and division are also inverse operations. So right here we have two multiplication equations, so we're going to use the division property of equality on them to solve for the variable. So we're going to go right here, we're going to start with 4x equals 172, so let's divide by 4 on both sides. Get my marker to work. Okay. So x is going to equal, so let's do 172 divided by 4. I'm just going to whip out my little calculator here, we'll do it super fast. It's going to be 43. Okay, come on, girl. Alrighty, so x here is going to equal 43. Here we've got 12a equals 48, so we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to divide by 12 on both sides. So a is going to equal, what do you guys think? I believe it's 4. Alright. Alright, now over here we have division equations, so we're going to do the inverse of division, which is multiplication, to solve for each particular problem. Okay? So we're going to multiply by 5 on both sides here on this first one, because we want to isolate that variable just like we've been doing in all the other equations. So it's going to cross these two out. So on the left we have a. We have 24 times 5, and that is going to be 120. Okay? Over here we have negative x over 6 equals 37. Do the same thing. We're going to multiply on 6 on both sides to isolate the x. Okay? So now we have negative x equals 37 times 6, which is, looks like it's going to be 204. I think, let me double check that. Okay, it's actually 222. Pardon me. It's going to be 222. Now, remember, we can never have a negative variable in our answer, so we're going to divide by -1. You could also multiply by -1 on both sides in order to get that x to be positive. Negative divided by positive is a negative, and then divided by 1 is itself, so negative 222. Alright? So I want you to practice this one for me. It's 7 over 2a equals 12.1 plus 8.9. When you're finished, hit play and see if you did it correctly. Alrighty, so if you got a equals 6, you did it correctly. So first we have to combine our decimals over here. Right here, that's how we got 21, 12.1 plus 8.9. Okay, and then in order to get rid of a fraction, you have to multiply by its reciprocal so that they cancel out. So I multiplied 2/7 over here on both sides. So this cancels these boys out. Okay, so we have a left. And then 21 times 2/7, we can simplify. 7 goes down to 1, 21 goes down to 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. So a equals 6 is your answer there. Okay? Alrighty, same thing here. I want you to pause the video and see if you can solve these bad boys on your own, okay? Remember to combine like terms first, then apply the properties of multiplication or division. Alrighty, so right here we have to combine like terms. I'm on this problem right here. So a 12 and 8 elevenths plus 4 and 3 elevenths is going to be 16 and 11 over 11, which really equals 17. So we brought this bad boy down. Okay. So if 17 equals 5d, we divided by 5 on both sides. Okay, it doesn't give us a whole number, so our answer is either d equals 17 over 5 or 3 2/5 for a mixed number. Over here we have 47.46 equals negative 8.4t. This is a multiplication equation, so we needed to divide by 8.4 in order to isolate the variable of t. Okay, so in negative. So just put that bad boy on there. You're more than welcome to type this in your calculator. But remember, on a test, you'll have to show your work, so you'll have to know how to divide by decimals. But on your homework, I don't mind they use a calculator. So when you do that, put that in calculator, you'll get negative 5.65 equals t. Alrighty? Alright, I want you to complete the try these numbers 1 through 9 in this section of the purple book in your notebook. Okay? Remember, work all of them out. Try your best. If you have questions, we'll answer them in class tomorrow. Okay? Good luck, guys. Goodbye.